Let me take you on a journey to one of the Dominican Republic's most talked about all-inclusive resorts. Club Med Punta Cana has been making waves in the Caribbean hospitality scene since the early 2000s, and after recent renovations completed in 2022, this four-star property is positioning itself as a premium destination for families, couples, and adventure seekers alike. Nestled along the pristine shores of Punta Cana's eastern coast, this resort promises an immersive tropical experience that blends luxury with the vibrant culture of the Dominican Republic. When it comes to accommodations, Club Med Punta Cana offers a diverse range of options that cater to different travel styles and budgets. The superior rooms serve as the entry-level option, spanning approximately 320 to 375 square feet of thoughtfully designed space. These rooms feature modern Caribbean decor, with vibrant colors and natural wood furnishings that immediately transport you to island paradise. Each superior room comes equipped with air conditioning, complimentary Wi-Fi, flat-screen television, minibar, personal safe, and coffee and tea-making facilities. The private bathrooms include walk-in showers, and guests can enjoy either garden or pool views from their private balconies or terraces. These rooms comfortably accommodate 2 adults or a couple with 1 child using the available sofa bed, with nightly rates ranging from $300 to $450 depending on the season. For those seeking a bit more space and luxury, the deluxe rooms offer approximately 430 square feet of living space with enhanced amenities and prime locations throughout the resort. These accommodations include all the features of superior rooms but add upgraded toiletries, plush bathrobes, slippers, and most importantly, stunning sea views or enhanced pool vistas. The larger balconies in deluxe rooms provide perfect spaces for morning coffee or evening cocktails while watching the Caribbean sunset. These rooms can accommodate up to 3 adults or families with 2 children, with rates typically ranging from $450 to $600 per night. Families traveling with children will find the family suites particularly appealing, offering between 590 to 700 square feet of well-planned living space. These 2-bedroom accommodations feature separate sleeping areas, a comfortable living room, kitchenette facilities, and multiple bathrooms to ensure everyone has adequate space and privacy. The suites can house up to 5 guests comfortably and include kid-friendly amenities that make traveling with little ones much easier. Garden or partial sea views complement the family-focused design, with nightly rates ranging from $600 to $850. The crown jewel of accommodations is found in the adults-only Zen Oasis Suite, which offers an exclusive retreat for couples seeking tranquility and romance. These 540 square foot suites feature private terraces with personal plunge pools, premium bedding, Nespresso machines, and exclusive access to the serene Zen Oasis facilities. Located in the oceanfront section of the resort, these suites provide uninterrupted views of the turquoise Caribbean Sea and represent the epitome of luxury at Club Med Punta Cana, with rates ranging from $700 to $1,000 per night. The dining scene at Club Med Punta Cana reflects the resort's commitment to variety and quality, offering multiple venues that showcase both international cuisine and local Dominican flavors. La Palapa serves as the main dining hub, featuring an extensive international buffet with strong Caribbean influences. This spacious restaurant accommodates over 200 guests and operates throughout the day, serving breakfast from 7 to 10:30 in the morning, lunch from noon to 3 in the afternoon, and dinner from 6:30 to 10 in the evening. The buffet features fresh seafood caught daily from local waters, expertly grilled meats, an abundance of tropical fruits, and comprehensive vegetarian options. Special themed nights add excitement to the dining experience, with Caribbean night showcasing local specialties and seafood night highlighting the ocean's bounty. For guests seeking a more refined dining experience, Le Gourmet offers an intimate fine dining atmosphere with French and Mediterranean fusion cuisine. This 80-seat restaurant operates exclusively for dinner service from 7 to 10:30 in the evening, requiring smart casual attire and advance reservations. The menu features sophisticated dishes such as lobster bisque, duck confit, and fresh local fish prepared with European techniques. Wine pairing dinners held regularly provide opportunities to explore carefully selected vintages that complement the chef's seasonal creations. The beach bar provides a completely different atmosphere, offering casual beachfront dining and drinking with stunning ocean views. Operating from 10 in the morning until 10 at night, this 50-seat venue serves light snacks, fresh ceviche, tapas, and an impressive selection of tropical cocktails. The relaxed beach casual dress code and no reservation policy make it perfect for spontaneous meals and drinks throughout the day. The resort's pool and beach facilities represent some of its strongest attractions, offering multiple aquatic experiences for guests of all ages and preferences. The centerpiece is a massive lagoon-style pool, covering approximately 1,200 square meters with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters, providing ample space for swimming, playing, and relaxing. This main pool features a swim-up bar where guests can enjoy cocktails without leaving the water, along with dedicated poolside service for food and beverages. Comfortable sun loungers surround the pool area, and complimentary towels are provided throughout the day. The adults-only infinity pool offers a more tranquil experience, featuring an infinity edge that creates the illusion of water flowing directly into the ocean beyond. This smaller, more intimate pool provides a peaceful retreat for couples and adults seeking relaxation away from family activities. The sophisticated design and prime location make it particularly popular during sunset hours. Families with children appreciate the dedicated kids' splash pool, designed with safety and fun in mind. Shallow depths, colorful water features, and nearby supervision areas allow parents to relax while children play safely in the water. All pool facilities operate from 8 in the morning until 8 in the evening year-round, with staff providing towel service, drinks, and light snacks throughout the day. The beach experience at Club Med Punta Cana spans approximately 500 meters of pristine white sand meeting calm, turquoise Caribbean waters. The protected location provides gentle waves perfect for swimming, while extensive beachfront offers plenty of space for all guests to find a perfect spot. Complimentary sun loungers, umbrellas, and beach towels are provided, along with dedicated beach bar service that brings drinks and snacks directly to guest loungers. Water sports enthusiasts will find plenty of included activities such as kayaking, paddleboarding, snorkeling, and sailing. The calm waters and consistent weather make these activities accessible to beginners while still providing enjoyment for experienced water sport participants. Equipment is provided at no additional charge, and basic instruction is available for those new to these activities. Club Med Punta Cana's activity program reflects the brand's philosophy of providing diverse experiences that cater to different interests and energy levels. The fitness center features modern cardio equipment, free weights, and resistance machines, operating from 6 in the morning until 9 in the evening. Regular group fitness classes include yoga, Pilates, and aqua aerobics, with sessions scheduled throughout the day to accommodate different schedules. Personal training services are available upon request for guests seeking more individualized fitness guidance. Sports enthusiasts can participate in tennis, beach volleyball, and various organized games that change throughout the week. The resort's entertainment team, known as Gentil Organisateurs or GOs, facilitate activities and create a social atmosphere that encourages participation and interaction among guests. Evening entertainment includes live music performances, dance shows, and themed parties that showcase both international entertainment and local Dominican culture. Cultural activities provide opportunities to learn about Dominican history, traditions, and crafts through organized workshops and excursions. These programs often include local artisans and cultural ambassadors who share their knowledge and skills with interested guests, creating authentic connections to the destination beyond the resort boundaries. The spa and wellness facilities at Club Med Punta Cana provide comprehensive relaxation and rejuvenation services in a tranquil tropical setting. The full-service spa offers a complete menu of treatments including various massage techniques, facial treatments, body wraps, and specialized hydrotherapy services. Signature treatments incorporate local ingredients and traditional Caribbean healing practices, such as the popular volcanic stone massage using stones from Dominican volcanic regions and tropical fruit body scrubs featuring locally sourced ingredients. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.